Psalm 133 verse 1 says, "How very good and pleasant it is when brothers and sisters live together in unity." This psalm is a special song the Jewish people would sing as they traveled to Jerusalem for special feast days. As they walked together, they would sing about all God had done for them. And they were unified by their love for God and their love for one another. When you became a Christian, you become part of a new family with new brothers and sisters. Unfortunately, these brothers and sisters do not often live together in unity. If a brother or sister in Christ does something wrong, we're more likely to gossip about them and cut them out than to pursue reconciliation. As a result, we miss out on the blessing described in Psalm 133. A blessing meant not only for you and me, but also for others. Unity doesn't mean we all have to smell the same. It means that we're committed to be there for one another and care for each other no matter what. Think about how beautiful it would be to walk into a church today and see brothers and sisters living together in unity. With God's help, that's possible, and it begins with us.